Good evening to all of you. I'm sure कि all of you are able to hear me. Please confirm. Generally, I taken the classes only on the Zoom, so I'm not very sure about the YouTube. Am I audible to all of you? सबको सुनाई दे रहा है? So this is the first lecture we are dealing on the YouTube, and this lecture is the basically for the modulus concept. This is the part of the basic maths. This particular lecture, why I came to this point when I had the meeting session with the Thomas, and the maximum students mentioned that there is a problem with the mathematics. Basically, there is no problem in the mathematics if some few things everybody should know. That is the basic maths. That is why, as the for the everybody, I'm releasing the basic maths, and this we will do it. This is the one particular series, and everybody will be get benefited out of it. So first things, since this is the first lecture, so I will just speak blah blah 5 minutes. So please don't mind. In this lecture, one thing you should be clear: if you are really preparing for JEE, for targeting a good marks in the mathematics, then only it's useful for you. We are not going to do any kind of the okay, learn this shortcut, you'll get the answer of the this way, that way. But one thing I can assure you, after doing this, you will never face problem in the basic maths. And rest part you can do in wherever you are studying, whatever way you are doing study, you can do. The main issue is the basic math, and I seen maximum student used to learn the formula. So we have to avoid the formula and we have to go with the without formula. And you will see that you will able to solve the questions without formula also. So let's go with the one by one, and starting with the basic concept. You have to keep little bit patience. You have to understand for the 10-15 minutes what exactly the fundamental of modulus concept, and then only we can go ahead. Don't ever think that these things I know, that things I know. If you are knowing also, listen carefully and try to understand the things. So I will be doing in this series basic maths complete, means modulus, then inequalities, then logarithmic concept, then graph, whatever the basic maths is required, that we'll be doing. So either you are in the 11th class or 12th class, or you are repeating, for you it will be big things for you, and you will see that mathematics you will start enjoying, right? So a lot of talk happened, so let's get started the things. So this modulus concept, in this what exactly we are going to learn? We are just, today's lecture will be just going through the understanding what is the meaning of the mod x. I hope everybody knowing it, mod x we used to represent by this symbol. And this is the meaning of this is what? This is the nothing but the magnitude of x. It's a magnitude of x. My writing is very poor. If anywhere you feel not able to understand, please mention in the chat box. It's a magnitude of x, or you can say absolute value of x. This is a hi-fi name, absolute value something. I used to simple call it length of x. Length of x whatever. This is, we will talk about the algebraic mod, and this we pronounce as a mod x. We are going to talk about the mod. So magnitude of x is what? Magnitude of x means what? The distance of x from every distance we measure from origin. So let's calculate the value of the mod x. How to calculate the value of mod x? Imagine this is your coordinate axis. Be clear, there's the totally different way we are going to learn mod x, so keep patience for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Suppose this is the coordinate axis, and this is your x. Imagine this length is means this point is x, so we can say this coordinate will be x comma 0. If x is here, then this coordinate will be x comma 0. And this length is called as the length of x, which is nothing but the mod x. Means mod x is nothing but this distance from origin to here. Origin coordinate everybody knows 0 comma 0. And in the smaller classes you already study distance between 2 points always given by root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Am I right? Now, what is the x1? X minus 0 whole square. We'll say x minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. That means 0 minus 0 whole square. So d equal to root of x square. Means the distance between these 2 points is root x square. But distance of x is always mod x. It means this is representing mod x. So mod x, the fundamental rule, mod x is what? Mod x is the root of x square. This is first point which you should keep in mind. If anybody asking what is mod x, of course, this is the definition, magnitude of it. But what is the value of mod x? We'll say root of x square. This is the mod x. That is the reason that root quantity never be negative. Root is always positive. That's why in your thumbnail, one question was asked, okay, what is the root 4 value? And generally in the classroom, when I used to ask it, I used to find out that 90% student used to speak. I'm not saying 100%. 90% student used to say plus minus 2. Please remember, root 4, that means that you can write root of 2 square also, that you can write root of minus 2 square also. And in both the cases, this is the mod 2 and this is the mod of minus 2. Either mod 2 or mod of minus 2, both are 2 only. So root 4 is only plus 2, never say plus minus 2. Otherwise, the first mistake in modulus, this is coming. So mod x is what? Root x square. When you are studying your JEE preparation, you are doing any chapter, always remember, if anywhere is coming, suppose I say root sine square theta came. Generally, student used to immediately they used to write sine theta. No, that is a blunder. This is always written as a mod of sine theta because root x square is a mod x. So I hope this point is clear to everybody that what exactly root x square. Root x square is mod x. Mod x is nothing but the root x square. It's a length, and length is always root x square. So root quantity is always a positive quantity. It never be negative quantity. If I can get confirmation, everybody understand. So I can go ahead with this. Root x square is always mod x. If you'll keep on giving confirmation, it will be easy for me. Right? So root x square is mod x. So mod x definition we learn, mod x is nothing but it's a root of x square, and it's simply represent the distance of length of the x. Let's going further into this. So now how to calculate the other thing means how to do the different operation on the mod x. So mod x is the other way also. You can say mod x is nothing but distance of x from origin. Distance of x from origin. From origin. This is the one more major point you should keep in mind. Mod x is nothing but distance of x from origin. That is the way we derive. See, this is the way I derive. X is the distance from the origin is the mod x. This is what the meaning of the mod x used to be there. Now, mod x base, what are the situation can be happen? In the mod x situation, what are the possibility we should know it? There are two things only you have to know. One is the equation and other is called as the inequality. These two parts you should know. And these two parts we are going to discuss one by one. Let's discuss one by one. Both the part, means equation as well as inequality. So let's get started. For the first part, equation. Equation of mod. right? So let's get started for the equation of the mod. What exactly in this we have to talk? Whenever mod equation is coming, listen me carefully, everyone. Whenever we want to get any equation, forget about the mod, any kind of the equation in whole mathematics, one thing you have to be clear, what exactly the meaning of the equation. I'm just explaining you the main point first, what exactly mean by the things, and then after that only I will go to the point. There is nothing formula, again I'm saying, only one thing you have to keep in mind, mod x is always equal to root of x square. So mod x equal to root of x square. In this equation means what? Whenever we talk about the equation, always remember x will be inside a function. Like suppose if I say I wanted to get the sin x value when sin x equal to 1 by 2. So this is also equation. But it's a trigonometric equation. And here x is inside a function. Log equation is coming, x will be inside the log. Same way, whenever we are saying mod equation, that means x is inside the mod. Whenever x is inside the mod, always keep in mind you have to remove the mod. So mod x equal to a. This, whenever situation is coming, whenever mod equation is coming or inequality is coming, one simple rule I'm going to tell you which you have to follow. Mod x can be what? That is the question. Ki bhai, mod x value can be what? If I ask you, what is the mod of 2? You will say 2. If I ask you, what is the mod of minus 3? You will say, it will be 3. Because magnitude of minus 3 will be 3 only. Are you able to understand? Mod of minus 3 will be 3 only. But if I ask you, what is the mod of minus 5 in term of minus 5? Listen me carefully. In term of minus 5, you will say minus of minus 5. This value has to be 5. So this way, if I say what is the mod a value, the mod a value will be a only if a is positive. A is positive. And mod a, we can write minus a if a is negative. Be clear? Some books used to write simply less than 0. No, you can say equal to 0 also. Mod a equal to a if a greater than 0 or equal to 0, and mod a will be written as a minus a if a is less than equal to 0. Why this minus sign? Just because a is already negative. If I will not keep this minus sign, this will be problem. Have you understand? Like here, mod of minus 5, if I want to get in term of the minus 5, to be right, minus of minus 5. So this is the way we used it. This is the way to break the mod. Whenever you have to break the mod, we use this logic. Ki mod a will be either a or minus a. Both cannot be. Never say ki mod a equal to plus minus a. Please, this is the common mistake I seen. Maximum student used to write it. Mod a plus a and minus a both cannot be happen. Either it will be a or it will be minus a. Any one of this. Because mod a has to be positive. So we write a when a is already positive, then no sense of mod. But if a is negative, mod a we have to write minus a. Just to protect this quantity, it should be positive. So whenever you have to solve mod x equal to a, always remember mod x will be either x or minus x. Mod x will be either x or minus x. So think carefully from here. Mod x will be either x or minus x. So we'll say, so either if we'll put x equal to a or x equal to minus x equal to a. Or indirectly you can say x equal to a or x equal to minus a. So whenever mod x equal to a, so x will be either a or x will be minus a. Or is very important to understand. In mathematics, there are two type of word is there, or and. And both play very important role. Or means either this will be true or this will be true. And means both has to be true. So it has to be or we have to use it. So mod x equal to a, x equal to a or x equal to minus a. But two possibility can be happen. Simple idea. If I say mod x equal to 5, find x. Find x. If they say, So mod x equal to 5. Whose magnitude can be 5? Either 5 magnitude is 5 or minus 5 magnitude is 5. That's why mod x equal to 5 will give you x equal to either 5 or x equal to minus 5. Initial stage, this way writing is little bit painful, but believe me, these are the required for your JEE preparation. This is the way you have to write it. So mod x equal to a, final answer x equal to plus a or minus a. X equal to plus a or minus a. I think the screen was the simple. Okay. Am I clear with everybody? Mod x equal to a, then x will be either a or minus a. Never say x equal to plus minus a. This line where I put up the cross symbol, you can see. This mod a, never be write this statement. This will make your whole modulus concept spoil. You have to say mod a will be either a or minus a. These are the only two possibility, no other. Yes, can I go ahead? Is it clear to everybody? Fine. So quickly, let's think about the questions on this. Basic fundamental, modulus never be negative. Modulus never be negative. Suppose I say in all this question, you have to find x. First one, if I say mod of x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5, then what will be answer? Quickly, as fast as, let me see who can give the answer first. As fast as you can. Mod of x minus 1 by 3 equal to 5, x will be what? What are the possible value of x? Okay. Mod of something equal to 5 means that something will be equal to either 5 or that something will be equal to minus 5. Two possibility. So x equal to 3 will multiply 15 and 1 will go this side 16. 16 or x equal to minus 15 plus 1 means minus 40. There are two possible value. Means this is having two answer set of either 16 or minus 14. This is the representation way. This is the way we used to represent. The next question. Mod of mod x minus 7 equal to 2. Quickly, I will just give 30-second time. What are the possible value of x? What are the possible value of x? Quickly, as fast as you can. Go with the fundamental rule. Again, I'm saying if you want to really score good marks in your JEE, you should not depend on the formula. Otherwise, imagine in your JEE Advanced time or JEE Main time, how many formula you can remember in your mind? It's not possible. So we have to make sure kids should be quicker. Okay, one person is giving the answers. I don't think that is correct answer because okay, one more person given the answer, but I'm not sure. What way I think, I always think this way. One mod give two solutions, so two mod will give four solutions. If it's possible. Yes, I think now I started getting correct answer. Let me check it. This is value. See, remember, this is called as a composite kind of function. Function of function. Inside function, one more function. Never get scared. Always look first one. And this is something. We have to just keep in mind that this is something. So mod of something equal to 2, it means that something will be either 2 or that something will be I minus 2. So from here we can say this something will be 9 or this will be equal to 5. And from here again, mod again break it. So x will be either 9 or minus 9. Be clear, or is there. Or x equal to 5 or minus 5. So final answer x element of set of minus 5, minus 9, 5, 9. The set of 4 values means this equation having the 4 solution. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Now, very quickly, everybody, please try to give me answer. Mod x minus 3 is equal to 5. Quick. X value. Very fast. X value, everybody try to. See, until use fundamental, don't apply any formula again and again, I'm saying. There is no use of learning if you are applying formula. I will solve your whole modulus, but you will see I will not going to use a single formula in whole modulus, either inequality or in equation or whatever is coming. Whatever complicated question. Answer quickly. Check this. Mod of mod x minus 3 equal to 5. Means mod of something equal to 5. So from here, this something will be equal to either 5 or this something will be equal to minus 5. There are two possibilities. Means this 3 will come this side, so minus 3 will come this side, so it will become 8, mod x equal to 8. Or we can say mod x equal to this minus 3 will come this side, will become minus 2. Now listen very carefully. Keep your eye open and say, I will reject this. Sir, why I will reject this? Because mod x is the length. You are trying to say length of something become minus 2. How is it possible? Length cannot be negative. It's impossible. So this case rejected. Only this case left. Mod x equal to 8. So x will be either minus 8 or plus 8. That's only two possibility. That's all. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Can we go ahead? Give the confirmation, everybody, whoever is attending. Is it clear or any point not clear? Any particular point you feel that key it's not clear, I will be making things done again. May I go ahead? All right. I'm not getting reply. That's very quick. Okay. Fine. So modulus, whenever, see, a complication we can do. In the worksheet, I will give you the complicated question where we can discuss. I don't want to give the complicated question initial stage. Fundamental has to be clear. That's the most important thing. Now, first thing, whenever we say mod x, it means magnitude of x. If I ask you, what is the least value of mod of x, you will say 0. This line keep in mind. Least value of mod x will be 0 because magnitude of anything can be least value of magnitude will be always 0. You'll say, sir, everybody know this play important role. When this will become least, when this quantity will become 0, then only its least value. All other value, if it's -2, x is -2, or 3, or 1, this value will be always bigger than 0. So least value of mod x is always 0. This point is very clear. Now, if I ask you, what is the least value of mod of x minus 1? This is also 0, because when it will be least value, when this will become 0. And this will be 0 at x equal to 1. That is the least value. The least value or minimum value of any mod expression is that one when this is inside quantity will become 0. Now, this is okay. One single mod is coming, we can tell very clearly there is no problem. Problem start if more than one mod get involved. How to do? Same logic will apply. Suppose I say, I want to get the least value of fx equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x plus 7. Imagine. I want to get the least value of this. Now, problem is that when this kind of question is coming, student used to do a simple sir, this is very simple. But that simple concept, they don't apply here. Apply same concept. This will be least because everywhere mod is there addition. It will be least only when inside this will become 0. Think carefully. Either this will be 0 when at x equal to 1. This will be 0 when at x equal to 2. This will be 0 when at x equal to minus 7. Check at which point this will become least, that is the least value. Means find f of 1. What is the f of 1 count? Replace x by 1. This will become 0. This will become mod of minus 1. And this will become mod of 8. The whole value will become what? 9. Find f of 2. F of 2, what will happen? 2 minus 1, that is the 1, plus 2 minus 2, that is 0, plus 2 plus 7, that is the 9. Value 10. Find f of minus 7. This is minus 8, means 8, mod of minus 7 minus 1 means minus 8, 8, plus minus 7 minus 2 minus 9, that is the 9, and plus 0, that is the 70. If I ask you, out of these three, which is the least value? 9. I will say least value of fx is 9. Did you understand what the logic I apply? If anybody asks what is the least value of this, say fx equal to mod x, they will say, sir, very simple, it's 0. But think how it came. You put up this x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, you substituted here, and then you got the least value. Same thing I'm doing. But here more than one mod is there. So for every mod I am putting, and then we are finding out the least value of fx is 9. Do you understand what is the meaning of the least value? Least value means this expression cannot be less than 9. It's impossible. This expression cannot be less than 9. Are you getting my point? It means if it's giving less than 9 value, so it will not have any solution. It's not possible. So whenever you are solving the equation, you have to keep in mind that equation is valid or not. If it's valid, then only we solve it. Let me give you real mantra of it. Please concentrate, everybody. If I ask you solve this equation, you will say, sir, I will not solve. No solution. Why? Why no solution? Sir, very simple. By mod x, how can be negative? No. Think other way. You will say least value of this is 0. Means minimum it can be 0. And you are putting equal to minus 2. How is it possible anything can be less than its minimum value? Means this equation does not have. I will not solve. You will say, I will not solve. Because this side is the out of range. This value, the least value is the 0, and this value you are putting minus 2. How is it possible? We can say no solution. Here, very happy. But the moment when I change the question, suppose I make this one. mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x plus 7 equal to, suppose I say 5. Solve this equation. Then also you have to say that much fast as you are telling here. You will say this is the least value. See, here I taken time because just to explain you. How to get least value? Very simple. See when this is 0, when this is 0, when this is 0. Put all three value. See what is the least value is coming. That is the least value. So least value, this is 9. And you are saying equal to 5. Impossible way. No solution. I will not solve. When I have to solve, I will tell you a method how to solve it. Don't worry about that. First, we have to decide should we solve or not. It's not that mathematics question is coming and simply jump into and solving the question. That is not the way to do mathematics. First, decide, do we need to really solve? No, here we don't need to solve. Imagine. Everybody now tell me least value of this function. Everybody. Quickly, as fast as. Tell me least value. Let's see that how many fast people can tell me. Least value of this. Everyone try to give me least value of this. I did not get answer till now. Least value. Least value of this fx. I am writing full question so that you will be happy. Okay, only one answer. That's so sad. Only one person give an answer. How to get least value? Think when this will be 0 at x equal to minus 1. When this will be 0 at x equal to 3. So I will find first f of minus 1. F of minus 1 will be what? Mod of minus 1 plus 1, 0, plus mod of minus 1 minus 3. That is the 4. F of 3, get it? 3 mod of 3 plus 1 plus mod of 3 minus 3. Mod of 3 minus 3 is 0, mod of 4 is 4. Both are same. We don't have to do any selection. I will say least value of this function will be 4. Least value of this function will be 4. Are you able to understand my point? Those who did not give the answer, at least give the confirmation. Did you understand? The least value of the function will be 4. Okay. You should be active, very active. Then only you will understand the things. Now tell me, everybody, the least value. Everywhere you have to tell least value. Least value of this expression. Everyone. I'm giving simple calculation. I'm not making complicated because I don't want to see your calculation speed. I want to see your concept. The least value of this function. Least value of this function, quickly, everybody. Least value of this expression. More than 30-second giving time is a really difficult task. 30 seconds is more than enough for solving these kind of questions. Think when this will be 0, add 0. When this will be 0, 1. Add when this will be 0, 2. When this will be 0, add 3. So what is the F0? F0 will be the 0. This will be 1. 0 plus 1 plus, because 0 minus 2, 0. 2 plus 3. That is the 6. F of 1. This will become 1. This will become 0. This will become 1. This will become 2. Because mod of minus 2 is the 2. That will become 4. And f of 2. F of 2 will be 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is again 4. F of 3. That will be 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. That is the 5 plus 6. Least value. Out of this, what is the minimum value? You will say 4. So answer will be 4. That means whatever x you put, this expression cannot be less than 4. It can be either equal to 4 or it will be greater than 4. I hope it's clear to everybody. Either 2 mod is there, or 3 mod is there, or 4 mod is there, or 100 mod is there. I don't care. It will be always satisfy the conditions. So whenever you have to solve the modulus equation, first you have to verify that that is valid or not. If it's valid, then only proceed for solving. If it's not valid, you don't need to solve it. So this is the least value. I hope it's clear to everybody. I'm going further into this one. So now, when I say, when question comes, find x if mod of 2x minus 3 by 5 equal to minus 1. You'll say, I will not solve because the least value of this will be 0. Least value of this will be 0. So directly answer will say no solution. Same way, if I ask you that key, solve, find x if mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 7, or let's take x plus 7, x plus 7, we are going to take, this one is the 2, solve this one, I will say no solution. Means x is element of null set. X is element of null set. No solution. In mathematics, we used to write this symbol. This is a null set. Because the minimum value of this, put 3, so this will be 0, this will be 10. Put 7, this will be 4, this will be, put minus 7, I'm sorry, minus 7. Minus 7 I'm putting, this will be 10, this will be 0, and 3 I'm putting, so this is the 10. Yes, 3 is coming, then also 10. So minimum value 10 is coming. We cannot say that this is going to be 2. It's impossible that it can be 2. So no solution. I hope it's clear to all of you. Equation solving is done for everybody. One last question on this, solve it, and then we'll going ahead for how to solve the combination of the mod if it's satisfying the condition. Or write the questions, everybody, and try to get the answer. Find x if first bit of the question, mod of mod x minus 3 plus 5 equal to 7. Yes. And second bit of the question, mod of x minus 1 plus x equal to 1. These 2-bit questions. Please do not depend on the formula. That's what I'm trying to give you training of it. First question and second question. Please type the answer if you can. Second to 1 minute time I'm giving, not more than that. First bit answer at least type. First bit answer at least type, everybody. First bit answer, everybody try. Okay, let's solve it. First question. Keep patience. Don't be in a hurry. You will learn it. This is just, we finish around 40 minutes only. First one, always remember, in mathematics, always question comes on composite function. Expression will be composite. What is composite? If inside any function, not only x, something else is there, that is composite. Never get scared. Rule remember. Composite function always solved by the from outside. Inside mod you cannot touch until unless outside mod is not removed. So I will look this way. Mod of something is equal to 7. That means that something will be equal to 7 or that something will be equal to minus 7. This is the way to think. Not to be by any formula. That means mod of x minus 3 plus 5 will be equal to 7 or mod of x minus 3 plus 5 equal to minus 7. Now I hope you can understand that this part I will reject because this will become minus 12. This will go this side minus 12. This part I will reject. Why I will reject? Because this side is the lesser than the minimum value. See the tone I'm changing. I'm changing the way to speak. I'm not saying that mod cannot be negative. Of course, that is true. But what way I'm telling you, remember this way, this does not have solution because this side value is the less than the least value of this, because least value of this is 0. So single mod is there or double or triple. In future, you will never face problem if you keep on thinking this way. Now, this part, mod of x minus 3 equal to 5 will go this side, so 7 minus 5 will become 2. Mod of something equal to 2 means that something equal to either 2 or that something will be equal to minus 2. That means, but we are interested in x. So x will be equal to 5 or x will be equal to 1. So this equation having only two solutions, 1 or 5. I'm sure some people got it. This first question answer is 1 or 5. Second one. Let's think about the second one. It's a slightly good question. You have to think properly. Here x is here, this side. X is without mod. That creates sometime problem. But carefully do basic method too. Mod of x minus 1 you can write as a 1 minus x. This x go on this side. Hello? Are you able to understand? Mod of x minus 1 equal to 1 minus x. Now listen me how to deal with this question. Carefully, everybody. Can I write this in term of x minus 1? Yes. I will tell you two methods. Carefully listen. Mod of x minus 1 will be equal to minus of x minus 1. Minus I take in common. Up think. Mod of something a equal to minus a when? Mod of a equal to minus a when? Generally, when I used to ask this question in the class, the children always say when a less than 0. Please don't do this way. A less than equal to 0. 99% books write this way. Mod x equal to x if x greater than equal to 0. Mod x equal to minus x if x is less than 0. What is the problem? Less than equal to 0. There is no problem. So less than equal. So this quantity will say x minus 1 less than equal to 0. I don't like this method, the method which I'm solving it. But for time being, it's okay. X minus 1 should be less than equal to 0. Then only this kind of statement I can say. By mod of something equal to minus of something when that quantity is less than equal to 0, then only possible. So it means x should be less than equal to 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. Please confirm, everybody. Is it clear to all of you, this method? I don't like to solve this way, but initial basic method. Here we are not applying any formula. Is it clear to everybody? Please confirm. Everyone should confirm. By only 1%, 2% confirming, it's not possible. If you don't understand, you can tell to me. I will explain by the other way. See, you are spending time 1 hour with me. I am spending my time. Both of us should be benefited. Means you should understand that is my benefit. Okay, I can understand some people have difficulty. So let's think about some other question on this pattern. Mod of, this time I'm expecting answer from everybody. Give me the answer for this question. Find x for this. Follow the rule, get the answer, you will surely get it. Don't give up. Read question in that way, the way the question is given. Mod of something equal to 1. So that something will be either 1 or minus 1. What of the something? Let's see. The person who will give the first answer, their name and everything will come on the screen. Correct answer. Of course, wrong answer, I don't want that. I will also solve it on the same time because I don't remember. I don't know what is the answer. But correct answer, if you are going to give it, surely you will get it the things. Okay, somebody given the answer. I'm not sure it's correct or not. Okay, let me try. Mod of something equal to 1 means this something must be equal to plus minus 1. Means either 1 or this something will be equal to minus 1. So mod of x minus 1 by 3 must be equal to 3, or mod of x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So mod of x minus 1 equal to 9, or mod of x minus 1 equal to 3. So x minus 1 equal to minus 9 or 9, or x minus 1 equal to minus 3 or 3. I hope I am doing question correctly. Yes. 3 multiply here to 9, 3 multiply here 3. Yes, correct. So x equal to 1 gone this side. So this will be minus 8 or 10 or here gone minus 2 or 4. So there is this 4 solution. X equal to minus 2, 4, minus 8, 10. The 4 solution of this question. I didn't see anybody given the all answer. No, I did not see. All answer has to come. So there will be 4 solution of this question. Somebody asking that why there will be 4 solution. Why Which already solution is in front of you. Solution आपके सामने है, देखिए क्यों होगा. This value can be equal to 1 or this value can be minus 1. When I'm solving this one, so I got the 2 solution from here and 2 solution from here. So total 4 solution will take place. I don't know you people are able to understand or not, because I'm not getting the answers from everybody. So I was not expecting this poor answers. Let me give me one more question. Please give me answer of this so that I can go ahead for the next concept. Otherwise, we'll keep on rolling on this. We should not do that way. This is not the correct way of learning. X minus 3 plus 2 is equal to, no, plus 2, sorry, minus 2 take it. Otherwise, is equal to 3. This time, please give the answer, everybody, as fast as you can. Make sure it should be correct. One of the person is asking the question like this: there will be 2 solution minus 10 and 8 since only take one time modulus. No. Please look up his doubts. This will be either 1 or minus 1. The meaning is what? For time being, just take it this complete as a box. They are saying ki something box equal to 1. This hidden picture will be what? This is not the way to learn mathematics. It's a joke, actually. This will be equal to 1 or this will be equal to minus 1. So this will give you 2 solutions from here, 2 solutions from here. And if it's still not clear, so please put those answer here and check it satisfying or not. I hope I'm clear to you now. Please give everybody quickly answer of this question. Please give fast so that I can go ahead. Yes, one person give an answer. Again, same. Please don't look inside how much complication I'm going to make it. Don't look. Just look outside. When you do mathematics, look this way. Always look outside. Read this one. Ki mod of something equal to 3 means this something is equal to 3 or this something equal to minus 3. That means this mod of x minus 3, this will come this side equal to 5, or mod of x minus 3 equal to, this will come here, minus 1. So this case I will reject. Why? Because this side is the less than least value, so I will not select that. This part I will select. Again, mod of something equal to 5, so this will say ki this equal to 5 or this equal to minus 5. So from here, x equal to 8 or x equal to minus 2. This 2 answer only. This is the 2 answer only. So I guess one person, the first answer which I seen, the small text, somebody is there who got it this answer. Right. We reject the negative value because the mod cannot be negative, or otherwise mod, the smallest value of mod is always 0. So this side, right side, is the lesser than this. It's a smallest value. That's why I reject it. Okay, let's go ahead. We spend time for so much into this kind of things. So I don't think you can get the worksheet now because that topic is not completely done. All of you are responding very poor, but believe me, after 1 2 lectures, you will able to do all kind of questions. So, few questions I'm giving you homework. Please do it. I will discuss in the next class of these questions because every question I cannot do in the class here, but we will do discussion session. Find XF first. Same kind of question I'm giving so that key you can get little bit perfection on that. 2 minus mod of x minus 7 is equal to 3. Second, mod of x minus 5 plus 5 equal to x. Third, mod of x is equal to x. Fourth, basic questions. Don't sir, JEE Advanced never ask this kind of question. First learn basic. Mod of x minus 3 by 2 is equal to mod of x. Few questions will be slightly tricky, but just to teach you something, I'm giving those questions. Fifth one, mod of mod x minus, just a minute, not minus, plus mod of x minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, sixth one, mod of x minus 7 plus mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3 is equal to 2. Seventh, mod x minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus mod x equal to 5. And eighth one, mod of x square minus 1 equal to 2. These are the 8 questions which you should solve it. And believe me, do simple question first, get concept clear. Sometimes we learn some topics, उस टाइम पे जब लर्न करते हैं तो क्वेश्चंस इमीडिएटली सॉल्व हो जाते हैं, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. I notice so many people they do this mistake. They become happy when solving modulus inequality or modulus questions quickly. They are able to do at this point. You have to think you have to solve the question in JEE when JEE exam will be there. So that time, can you remember? That is why please don't go on the so many methods. Ki shortcut, this method apply, you'll get answer. You will get it answer, but there is no use. That is a temporary solution. In the final JEE examination, only basic method work. That is why you will see that so many students, same things they learn, but some students get a good rank, some students don't get the good rank. The reason is that one, that many things you cannot remember. So modulus, we will be putting in very detailed way. Believe me, give me 2-3 days time. As much work I am giving, do it, attend discussion. After that, you will see that you will able to solve modulus questions. Not only this, whatever complication, up to JEE Advanced level guarantee I can give. There is no problem, but step by step. It should not be. In short term, nothing can be done. You have to keep patience and you have to try the questions. So please try all these questions, and I will be saying that this questions means right now I'm not taking you that you have to send somewhere or something in the WhatsApp and all. Try it, keep ready, and tomorrow's session will be there. Now continuously till Friday, continuous session is there. Every day 7 o'clock will be there, the session. So tomorrow's session you will be attending. First I will discuss, I will spend 10 to 15 minute time, and then we'll continue to the next level of this one. This is the just trailer of modulus. It's not modulus. But the way I have to teach you in that way, understanding slightly it will take time, right? So I hope all of you understood the things, and if you understand, please put up the comment in such a way so that I will be happy कि yes, my spending my 1 hour time help somebody somewhere, किसी को कुछ तो help हुआ, ठीक है? तो आप comment उस टाइप से put कीजिएगा, and then see you all of you by the 7 o'clock tomorrow, sharp 7 o'clock. Thank you very much. Thank you.